Hey there, art enthusiasts and tech geeks. Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop shop for everything artificial intelligence. Today, we're tackling a topic that's captivated creators worldwide, AI art generation. And we're not just skimming the surface. We're diving headfirst into NightCafe Studio, one of the most popular and user-friendly platforms out there. For the past few months, I've been personally exploring NightCafe's capabilities, creating hundreds of pieces, learning the nuances of prompting, and getting lost in the sheer fun of it all. In this video, I'll share my personal detailed experience and equip you with everything you need to know to create your own breathtaking AI artwork, whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious beginner. We'll unpack NightCafe's features, pricing, community, explore its different algorithms, and even tackle the ethical considerations surrounding AI-generated art. That's right, we're covering it all. Get ready to be inspired. Before we jump into the features, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. NightCafe wasn't born overnight. It started as a small side project by Angus Russell back in 2019. He envisioned a platform where people could create and even sell AI-generated art, but it didn't start as a fully formed AI art generator. Think about it, the AI art scene was just beginning to burst onto the scene. His initial idea, let's just say, it flopped. People loved creating the art, but didn't want to buy prints. A turning point arrived when his hosting bills shot up. Someone had generated thousands of images. This sparked the clever idea of a credit system, and suddenly, NightCafe was breaking even. It's a great testament to the power of experimentation and spotting an opportunity. With L. Russell joining the team to handle the business side of things, NightCafe started to really take off. The launch of OpenAI's DALL-E in 2021 further propelled their success. Angus quickly integrated the then popular VQGAN Plus clip model, resulting in images that went viral on Reddit, and NightCafe's revenue skyrocketed. NightCafe's real strength lies in its features. Imagine this. You're staring at a blank canvas, a creative spark igniting within you. NightCafe provides various pathways to express that spark. First, there's the core function, text-to-image. You type in your vision, be it a majestic griffin perched atop a snow-capped mountain at dawn, or a cyberpunk cityscape teeming with neon signs and flying vehicles. NightCafe goes beyond simply generating images from text, though. It does image-to-image as well. You can upload your own work or a stock photo and transform it into something entirely new. Think transforming a simple portrait into a vibrant expressionist piece, or a landscape photo into a breathtaking steampunk setting. It's like having a magical digital paintbrush that allows you to experiment and explore your creativity. But here's the key. NightCafe gives you choice. They don't lock you into a single model or style. Instead, they offer different AI algorithms. From Stable Diffusion for mind-blowing detail to the whimsical DALL-E 2, even coherent and artistic models for unique creative explorations. This versatility means that you're not limited to just one aesthetic. You can hop between different styles and explore so many options. This isn't my first rodeo with AI art generators, so I was keen to test the limits of NightCafe's customization options. I didn't just want to throw a prompt in and see what came out. I crave control, and this is exactly what NightCafe gave. Forget basic prompts. I used complex and layered ones. I'm a big science fiction fan and decided to play. I wanted a dramatic scene which depicted a lone astronaut surveying an alien landscape. Using the advanced settings, I controlled things like aspect ratios, making it panoramic or a square Instagram-style photo. I tweaked the seed number to explore the endless possibilities of the random elements that the algorithm could create. I adjusted the prompt weights to emphasize certain visual details. I wanted to be sure that the alien landscape was the dominant feature, not the astronaut, and tweaked this accordingly in the advanced setting. And get this, the accuracy boost is such a great feature. For those moments when every detail is crucial, it lets you nudge the AI even closer to your artistic vision. The amount of control you have means you really feel like you're collaborating with the AI, guiding its creative process to match exactly what you have in your head. One of the things that sets NightCafe apart is that it is more than an app, it's a community. I was so grateful to discover the social aspects built into the platform, and it was honestly such a welcome addition. Beyond the solitary act of AI art creation, you can share your artwork, gain feedback, and even earn credits by participating in challenges. The platform offers a vast and diverse gallery of AI-generated artwork, providing not only inspiration but a unique chance to actively engage with other artists. I loved browsing through the different styles, seeing other creators' visions, and getting inspired by their interpretations. There's a Discord server which I also found invaluable, and it's a place where you can get help from other users, participate in discussions of the latest models, and even ask for help in generating art. NightCafe's commitment to building a community and making AI art accessible is really commendable and something which makes it stand out from some of its colder competitors. Let's talk money, because let's face it, we all need to keep an eye on our budgets. NightCafe operates on a credit system. You get a few free credits when you sign up, but need to either purchase more or earn additional credits by sharing your work. This is the part that will vary depending on your usage. For casual users, the free credits are more than enough to generate several images and explore different settings and models. The credit cost is surprisingly inexpensive, with various monthly and quarterly subscription options to suit varying needs. For those who aren't heavy users, the affordable options are a great perk. But for serious artists who are generating many pieces regularly, a higher tier would be a worthwhile investment. I will say that the value for money seemed greater than most other platforms I have used. NightCafe does also offer print options. I tested this and was happy with the quality, making NightCafe a great option for users interested in having prints of their AI artwork. This is a unique selling point not offered by many competitors. Now, let's compare NightCafe to some of its biggest competitors, Midjourney and DALL-E 2. Midjourney, known for its stunning photorealism, particularly in its human generation, offers a more artistic and high-quality output but requires using Discord, limiting accessibility for many. DALL-E 2, from OpenAI, boasts a user-friendly interface integrated with ChatGPT and offers an excellent image editor. This is a tool which is not available on NightCafe. However, NightCafe compensates for this with its broader selection of algorithms and more affordable pricing, making it far more accessible to a wider audience. NightCafe also has a far more supportive community, unlike the other platforms who are more focused on the quality of output rather than the creator of the platform. Both Midjourney and DALL-E 2 have a more advanced output, but if you don't have the need for a high-quality output, NightCafe is perfect for generating quick images that look decent and aren't overly dark or dystopian. For those looking to enter into the world of AI image creation without having to deal with the learning curve or a hefty price, NightCafe is certainly a better choice. Before we conclude, let's talk about a topic that's critical in the AI art world: ethics. The training datasets that power AI image generators raise essential questions about copyright and artistic ownership. These models learn from existing works of art, and it's important to understand the implications of using them creatively. NightCafe, to its credit, emphasizes user responsibility within its community guidelines and terms of service. While they allow artistic freedom, encouraging creativity, they clearly outline their content policies to prevent misuse of their application. The company also states that users, not NightCafe, are responsible for adhering to copyright laws. It's a conversation the entire AI art community needs to keep having, as technologies like NightCafe transform how artistic and other imagery is created. The future will require artists and everyone to navigate these legal and ethical questions responsibly. Let's all work together to support creative expression legally in this rapidly changing world. So, is NightCafe worth it? That's a question that completely depends on what you need. If you're looking for a free and user-friendly AI art generator that introduces you to this exciting world of creating art with AI, NightCafe deserves serious consideration. The free tier may be relatively limited, giving you little time to actually get to use it properly, but if you're looking for a way to get in and experience the fun, then NightCafe will be perfect for you. If you're a full-time artist or creator who needs an excellent, consistent, and high-quality product regularly, then you'll likely want to consider the higher-tier models. The combination of user-friendly interface, a thriving community, and a range of impressive AI models makes NightCafe a fantastic choice for casual and serious creators alike. As AI art evolves and new models and services launch, I'm consistently finding new ways to enjoy and experiment with NightCafe's capabilities. It's a tool that inspires and empowers, and it's such a great part of this amazing new world of being creative with AI. Thanks for watching this in-depth dive into NightCafe AI. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. If you use NightCafe already, and let's start a conversation. Do you see a future where AI and art are inextricably linked?